Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by putting the switch into handheld or tabletop mode. The touchscreen is disabled while docked. Once done, wake and unlock the system, then launch the game or app that explicitly supports touch controls. Make sure you're holding the console steady or propped with the kickstand for tabletop use. Use a clean fingertip or a capacitive stylus to avoid smudges and improve precision. Touch input responds to light taps and swipes, so don't press hard. Gentle contact is both faster and less likely to cause slips. Now you'll interact. Identify where the game expects taps versus swipes or drags. Once you see a button or draggable element, tap firmly but lightly. Hold and drag moves items or scrolls lists. Some titles accept two-finger gestures or pinch actions. Use them only if the game documents that feature. Make sure to angle the screen for comfortable reach and use the kickstand in tabletop mode to reduce hand strain. If the UI feels unresponsive, slow your motions and try single, deliberate taps instead of rapid jabs. To finish, use the game's on-screen exit controls or press home to leave without docking. Docking turns touch off automatically. If touch stops responding, first clean the glass with a dry microfiber cloth and remove any screen protector that might block capacitive input. Once done, restart the switch and check for a system update, because software can affect touch behavior. If problems persist, test with a different capacitive stylus or contact Nintendo support, but usually a restart and cleaning restore normal touch function.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.